How to create a collection on Etsy. Now in order to create a collection on Etsy, just simply open your Etsy app, and after opening your Etsy application, you will see a bunch of options from the homepage. In order to create a collection, tap to your favorites section, and from there select the option of items. Now after going into the items, you will see the option of create a collection directly. Tap to create a collection, and after that you need to name your collection at very first. I am naming it demo for now, and tap to create collection. You can also make the collection private before creating your collection. Just simply create the collection after that, and then if you go into the items page, you will see different collections in here, and you can add items or products to the collection after opening it. This is how you can create different collections in Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.